I can't wait till winter is over. It is 7 o'clock and I'm off to the gym. So I spent 3 hours in the gym working on that focus muscle that's like just under your arm here. Haven't even found out what it's called yet, it's pretty slack. Shoulder press is the one to do for that. That was hard. That was actually hard. That whole session was hard. It was such a grind. It's just one of those days where I just don't want to do it. We must do it. We must. Also did push-ups in between every finished exercise that I did, because I know that helps with strengthening and building that muscle as well. I spent about an hour just chilling out. Then I edited the vlog from yesterday. Spent, I'd say, a good half an hour to an hour making a new track for the music part of things. So now I'm gonna smash out a couple of hours of field training. Half an hour into it and my headphones have just decided to stop working. I mean, look at that though. They're pretty wasted. Oh, yeah, that's it. Yes.